Hi, my name is Alex, and I want to tell you something that might change your life. Just 30 days ago, I was scared to speak English. I always felt embarrassed. I thought I was too slow, too shy, too late to learn. But everything changed when I started using ChatGPT. In this episode, I'll tell you exactly what I did every day and how you can do it too. Chapter 1: A Quiet Life. I'm 28 years old, living in a small town called Greenview. I work in a local bookstore. Every day was the same: wake up, go to work, come home, and scroll through my phone. I always wanted to learn English, but I never believed I could. When customers spoke English in the store, I would freeze. I smiled and nodded, pretending to understand, but inside, I felt lost. I tried many apps and YouTube channels, but nothing worked. The teachers spoke too fast. The lessons were too difficult. I felt like a failure. One evening, I was lying in bed, feeling frustrated. I searched how to learn English for free, and one result caught my eye: Practice English with ChatGPT. I clicked it without thinking. It said I could chat anytime, ask questions, and practice real English. I wasn't sure, but something inside told me to try. Chapter 2. The first message, I signed up and typed, "Hi, can you help me learn English?" My heart was racing. A few seconds later, the reply came, "Yes, I can help you. Let's start with some simple sentences." I smiled. For the first time, I felt hopeful. That night, I wrote about my day. I went to work. I feel tired. I like books. ChatGPT corrected me gently. I learned to say, "I am tired." And I went to the bookstore. I practiced for 30 minutes. It felt good. I wasn't afraid anymore. Chapter 3. A New Routine. The next day, I came home, made tea, and opened ChatGPT again. I said, "Can we practice a conversation?" It replied, "Yes. Let's pretend you are helping a customer." We practiced greetings, polite questions, and answers. I learned new words like receipt, refund, and recommend. I repeated them until they felt natural. After a week, I was writing small paragraphs about my family and my town. ChatGPT corrected me kindly. I learned grammar without stress. I even put sticky notes around my house with words like mirror, door, and fridge. Every morning, I read them out loud. My vocabulary started to grow. Chapter 4. A Small Victory. One afternoon, a tourist came into the shop and asked, "Can you help me find a travel book?" I was nervous, but I answered, "Yes, follow me." He smiled and said, "Your English is very clear." That sentence stayed in my mind all day. Chapter 5. Sharing my story. After 2 weeks, I felt stronger. I had an idea. What if I helped others too? I recorded a short video in simple English. "Hi, my name is Alex. I was afraid to speak English. But now I practice every day, and I feel more confident. You can do it too." I uploaded the video. Just 10 people watched it, but one person left a comment. This gave me hope. Thank you. That one comment meant everything to me. Chapter 6. Teaching and Growing. I kept practicing every evening. I wrote short stories. I learned about grammar, tenses, and new phrases. One day I told ChatGPT, "I want to teach my friend English." It replied, "That's a great idea. Let's start with greetings and questions." So I helped my friend Mark. At first, he was shy, like I used to be, but slowly he opened up. We laughed, we made mistakes, and we kept learning. Chapter 7. A Big Surprise. After 1 month, my manager called me into the office. "Alex," she said, "your English has improved. Would you like to help train new staff?" I was shocked. Me? Teach new staff? I said yes, and that moment changed everything. Now I speak English every day. I help my team, I talk to customers, and I even volunteer at the local library to help others learn. Final words. One night I opened ChatGPT and typed, "Thank you, you changed my life." It replied, "You did the work. I'm proud of you." I smiled, because I was proud too. If you want to speak better English, just start. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to begin. Thank you for listening. If you like this story, please subscribe and tell me, what's the biggest challenge you face in learning English? Let's grow together. One evening, my younger brother asked, "Can you help me with my English homework?" I was shocked. Me? Help with English? But I said yes, and I used everything I learned. I explained verbs, helped him write sentences, and encouraged him. That night, I wrote to ChatGPT. I helped my brother with English. I feel like a teacher. ChatGPT replied, "You are becoming a leader, Saeed. Keep going." I'm not special. I didn't go to a big school. I didn't pay for classes. I just practiced every day with ChatGPT. You can do it too. Start small. Practice 10 minutes a day. Write about your life. Ask questions. Make mistakes. That's how you grow. If you want to start your journey today, open ChatGPT and type, "Can you help me speak English?" Then come back tomorrow, and the next day, and the day after, because every word you write is a step forward. Thank you for listening to my story. If this inspired you, like the video, subscribe to VocabTube and share this with someone who wants to learn English. And remember, you are not alone. You are learning, and you are getting better every day. See you in the next episode.